Students, welcome back to the lecture series of digital electronics. In this video, we will discuss about the universal gates. This video, we will discuss about universal gates, that is NAND gate and NOR gate. Okay, so the NAND gate and NOR gate are called as universal gates because it is possible to implement any Boolean expression with the help of only NAND or only NOR gate. Okay, user can build any logic circuit with the help of only NAND or only NOR gate. That is the great advantage because a user will have to make a stock of only NOR gate or NAND gate ICs. Okay, so we will start with NAND gate. Let us start with NAND gate. A NAND gate is a combination of AND gate and NOT gate. Okay, so if I draw the symbol, then the symbol of NAND gate is like this: one AND gate and one bubble on the head of AND gate. A and B are the inputs and Y is the output of NAND gate and is equal to A dot B, that indicate AND gate, and one full complement on A dot B, that indicate this complement indicate NOT operation, and this dot indicate AND operation. Okay, and here this bubble is indicate a NOT gate. Okay, the bubble indicate a NOT gate. Okay, and if we discuss about the truth table, then NAND gate, then inputs are A and B and the output is Y and is equal to A dot B full complement, because NAND gate is a combination of AND gate plus NOT gate. Okay, that's why A dot B indicate AND gate and this complement indicate NOT gate. Clear? So number of possible combinations are 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. Okay, if we place these values in this equation, Y is equal to A dot B full complement, then first combination A dot B is equal to 0 and the complement of 0 is equal to 1. For second one combination, 0 dot 1 is equal to 0 and complement is 1. For third one combination, 1 dot 0, then we get answer is 0 and the complement is bar sign indicate the complement, and we get answer 1. And for 1 dot 1, the answer is 1 and complement of 1 is equal to 0. So here is the truth table for NAND gate. Okay, and the next point, that is Boolean expression. So the Boolean expression for NAND gate is equal to Y is equal to A dot B complement. If we have three inputs A, B and C, then the Boolean expression is equal to A dot B dot C and full complement. Okay, and the symbol for three input NAND gate is like this. Inputs are A, B and C. Okay, so that's it for NAND gate. NAND gate is a one universal gate because it is possible to implement an Boolean expression with the help of only NAND gate. We can implement any Boolean expression with the help of only NAND gate. That's why this gate is known as universal gate. Right? Next one, universal gate, that is NOR gate. NOR gate. Now the NOR gate is a combination of NOR gate is the combination of NOT get plus OR get. So if I draw the symbol for NOR get, then it is equal to one OR get with one bubble. Okay, this bubble indicate NOT get. Inputs are A, B, and output is equal to, for only OR get, the output is equal to A plus B, and the NOT bubble indicate NOT operation. Okay, so output is equal to Y is equal to A plus B whole bar. Okay, and this one is also one type of universal get. Universal get. That means user can implement any Boolean expression with single NOR get. Okay, only with the help of only NOR get. If we discuss about the truth table of NOR get, then the truth table can be given as truth table for the NOR get. So inputs are A and B and output is Y. So number of possible combinations are similar as we discussed earlier: 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. If we place the value of each and every combination, and the first combination Y is equal to A plus B complement is equal to A is equal to 0 plus B is equal to 0 and complement, that means 0 complement, answer is 1. For second one, Y is equal to A plus B complement, that means A is equal to 0 plus B is equal to 1 and full complement, answer is complement of 1 and it is equal to 0. For third one, similarly, answer is 0. And for fourth one, 1 plus 1, A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, then answer is complement of 1 and is equal to 0. Clear? So for the truth table, output Y is equal to 0, Y is equal to, answer is 1 0 0 0. Okay, and that is exactly opposite of X, exactly opposite of OR get, truth table of OR get. Clear? And now if we discuss about the Boolean expression, then Boolean expression of NOR get is equal to Y is equal to A plus B full complement. If we have 4 inputs, for example, we have 4 input NOR get. Okay, and the inputs are P, Q, R, S and output is Y, then the Boolean expression for 4 input NOR get is equal to P plus Q plus R plus S and full complement. Clear? So that's it for the today's video lecture. In the next video lecture, we will start with Boolean algebra. What is Boolean algebra? Why we need to use a Boolean algebra for the solution of digital electronic circuits? That we will discuss in our upcoming video. Thank you.